back at home, honestly.
Yeah, it is home.
Back at your second home.
Yep, exactly. Home away from home. I've always called it that.
Exactly. I'm definitely excited for the Incredicoaster, for Guardians, all of it.
Yes, that's exciting. So much. Enjoy your time.
Thank you too.
Bye.
It's a good time. Love each other.
Yes, always. Love you.
Good time to be
Thank you, Michael. Great to be back here. Disneyland. Empty. Actually, probably haven't seen it like this since it was maybe a rainstorm one time.
Friends, we missed you.
Yay. Thank you.
I'm Madigan here with TheCoasterViews.
What are you most excited about today?
I'm just most excited to take things slow today and to really enjoy everything. I mean, even walking down Main Street it felt like walking into Disneyland for the first time almost.
I hear you. I felt the same way.
Yeah.
I love your outfit. Where did you get that? That is so adorable.
So I got this like during Pixar Fest. It was one of the first dresses I got from the dress shop.
Very cute.
And I thought that in true Disney fashion to do the castle and be classic.
Yes.
And go for more of that kind of opening day 50s vibe. So I put like a little bow in my hair.
Oh, very
too.
cute. Very cute. Okay, enjoy your day.
All right, thanks.
Bye-bye.
Where you go? Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Boundless realm of the super. Boy, it's your birthday. It's time for your party, boy. All hands prepared to go ashore. Pick up, lads. There's treasure in that stroll.
Happy to come back on the first day back since March of last year, so we're excited to go on Space Mountain and to go visit the Tiki Room.
Awesome. Thank you.
Oh my god,
In this disguise, I fooled them all.
You win the cutest family award with your shirts. Thank you guys.
I'll subscribe. outside, people were outside crying even, and then people were crying today coming back in, and it was everything we expected. It was wonderful, and we're glad to be back.
Yay! Thank you.